So I always hated the controversy over citrine versus baked amethyst and all that crap, and that's what that is right there is baked amethyst. So let's make an alternative. So the demon gem has been removed. Um, yeah, I'm just not at all playing with baked amethyst, so because people are so adamant about citrine. So anyway, we'll have a beautiful purple amethyst in a few minutes. So all baked amethyst versus citrine uh, things aside, this purple turned out quite well. So anyway, have a good night.